Oh wow, good morning. Saturday, November 1st, and the quilt show is just through those trees over there. Starting in an hour or so. The lighting's gonna be beautiful today. Look at that sunrise.
That's right, quilters. Let's take a wonderful walk through the Quitman Outdoor Quilt Show, an annual event that happens in Quitman, Texas, in conjunction with a wonderful fall festival, as well as an amazing quilting retreat at Stitchin Heaven and our anniversary sale. I just love being in Quitman to be part of the big event, and this year I got so carried away I actually forgot to record my own personal walkthrough. So thank you so much to Elijah for this incredible footage of these beautiful quilts hanging outdoors. As you can see, I'm not the only person who enjoyed getting my picture taken with my quilts outside that was on display. It's so wonderful to see all of the people out looking at the quilts and enjoying them. It's such a variety of folks that come due to the fall festival that's going on and everything that's also happening out there. So quilters and non-quilters alike get to enjoy our quilts that are on display. Over 100 this year. It was amazing. And I just love the way they display them from the bridge so you can get up close and personal or view them from afar. If you look close, you can see my Scrap Masters quilt there from the bridge. Of course, I love looking at everybody else's quilts, the way they put their fabrics together, the way they stitch them together. And of course, I love the way the light comes through the trees and really makes all the fabric colors pop. It's incredible. But like I said, not only was it the quilt show, but it was our garden show and the fall festival, the way Texans love to do it, out under the pavilion, including a live music that evening, all kinds of booths and vendors set up. It was absolutely fantastic. We had fun for adults and the kids alike, including face painting and a really cool rock climbing wall, zip line, bounce house, and we included some awesome instructional sewing for kids with a free make and take, with some adults there for a bit of supervision, like we can offer supervision. My favorite part is to listen to the folks discuss the quilts and give their opinions of the quilts and talk about the different techniques they're seeing and how they're inspired and what they might start on next. It's so super cool. So if you're ever interested in doing a quilt with us at Stitchin Heaven, I really encourage you. You could either join one of our Block of the Month programs or possibly look at one of our kits or our retreats just to gather together, just have a fun with friends and maybe get even caught looking at someone else's quilt. Now, you're not allowed to touch the quilts at quilt shows, but we were touching our own quilts. So let me put that disclaimer in here. We were having fun outside, and I love watching people watch my quilts and, like I said, listening to the commentary on them. So please consider being part of our Quitman Outdoor Quilt Show. Come out and show off your quilts and enjoy everybody enjoying your quilts out in the beautiful weather, Quitman, Texas. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. It really helps support our channel. If you haven't subscribed, do so now. Hit the little button to be notified every time we go live or do a new video for all of you. And here's one from the past I think you'll really enjoy.